Good morning everyone. Long time no see. That is because I was lazy and kind of busy in couple of projects going around in my life. That's why I was unable to make YouTube videos and I was kind of lost. But on my New Year's resolution list, I made a promise to myself that I'll be making a lot of YouTube videos and will try to bring you guys closer to my life. Anyways, as I said that I was busy in couple of projects, and one of the projects was getting into a house. Not renting it, but buying a house. And we finally did it and bought the house in the area that I was already living in. So this video is going to be a video about a home tour. I'll be taking you inside the house to show you what the house looks like. But before I take you inside, let me tell you that the house is still naked, still empty, as there's no furniture in the house. But at least you will get to see what the house looks like from the inside. Welcome back. That was a quick ride. Anyways, let me show you the house now. So this is a little entrance to the house, and right in front of this entrance is a small garden area which we will have to take care, which I don't know how, but somehow we'll have to. Over here is a drive-through where you can park up to 4 to 6 cars, a 2-car garage right there, and a little walk-through alley through which you can go back. But I'll show you the backyard later. But anyways, let's go inside now. The moment you walk in, this is the living area, living room. As I told you guys, it will be empty for the time being. But this is our living area. We don't know how we'll set it up, but maybe a couch over here, something, I don't know, table over here, a sofa goes over there, and a fireplace, maybe a sofa here, and a chess set board over. I don't know. I mean, you guys let me know how should I fill this space. We'll have to do something with the walls to put some paintings. I like paintings. For the time being, we have put something like temporary. So this is our little entrance. This fire space really gives a very cozy touch to the whole space. The space that you're seeing above the fire space, will put some TV over there, so that when we are sitting around in this area, we can enjoy the TV and the fire in a little cozy environment. Anyways, let's keep moving and let me show you the next part of the house, which as you enter through the space, we have like a closet, a coat closet, whatever you want to call, where you can throw some coats or whatever, shoes or anything that you want. And on this side we have like a full bathroom. Full bathroom with a standing shower. And yeah, that's me. Anyways, when we come out of this space, we have kitchen over here. So this is the kitchen section. On this side, we'll set up some like dining set or something. I don't know yet. Maybe some like sitting for like when the food is being cooked over here. We can sit and have food over here. But this is the kitchen. Moving forward from the kitchen, right on the ground floor with the kitchen and a dining area, we have this one room called the den room. So right now it's all empty, but I would like to put a TV over there, some big TV with some lights, fancy schmancy lights. Maybe a couch, table over here, another couch over here. I don't know yet, but this is what we'll call our den room or whatever it is. And right beside the den room is this sunroom. The entrance to this sunroom is from this room and from that kitchen section also. We'll come from that side so I can show you where the laundry is, and with other things are. So if you come from this side, some small space where, I mean, right now this water is here. Laundry area, which we don't have yet. We have ordered it, but don't know when it will come. This is the sunroom. So this sunroom has like 4 entrances. One is through the kitchen, one is through the den room, one is this one that leads to the backyard, and the other one is this one that leads to the walking area that I showed you guys before. This one. But anyways, now let's go to the backyard, and let me tell you one thing, that backyard is my favorite because when we were looking for a house, I wanted a pool. Right now the pool is closed because it's like winter. And the water is frozen, I don't know, on the top of it. But this is our little backyard. Over here, more things, trees, thingy. The pool, which we will set it up in the summer season. And along with that pool, this is not the only thing that comes with the house. It also comes with a hot tub, which I don't know is active or not. We'll have to check it out. But for the timing, it's like sitting over here. So this will be the backyard, pool area, the hot tub area. Oh, and that little one shed, that's like a more space, like you can park your bike in it or some other stuff. But if over here, this is that alley that we were talking about. See, this is the alley. We have this, and then over here, the back door of the two-car garage. For the timing, it's empty. But we'll throw something in there. It's super cold over here. It's like almost minus 10 degrees right now. I don't know. I can't stand outside for too long. But let's go inside so I can show you the bedrooms. You must be thinking where the bedrooms are. The bedrooms are on the top floor. 3 bedrooms with 1 attached central bathroom. So the moment you walk in through the stairs, the first thing that you see is a bathroom, which, again, me, and a tub, shower, some cool windows, some place to store things, and yeah, we have a big mirror too, by the way. So this is 1 bedroom. Again, the whole house is not unpacked yet. These are the clothes. This we might turn into a guest room. Throw some things in there. This is the 2nd bedroom that I will try to convert into my office space, my workspace. Ooh, that's my army. Isn't that cool? I don't know how, but maybe throw some lights in here. Make it look cool. And yeah. And this over here is the master bedroom, which we have nothing yet. But maybe the master bed will go over here, master closet, some more things. These are all the decorative stuff from the season of Christmas and Halloween that needs to go up in the attic over there. But this will be the master bedroom, which we will set. Standing space, which if like it's too hot, you can open it and you go out for a fresh air. And this is the view from over here, our small little garden. It's too cold, can't stand out for a while. So let's close this thing. And yeah, this is the house. Oh, but one thing, none of these rooms come with any lights, so we will have to figure out how we put the lights. The lights are in those closets. All 3 closets in these bedrooms are, that closet too, walk-in closets. This closet too, like a small walk-in space, not like a fancy schmancy, but yeah, this is it. This is our teeny tiny house. If you like my home tour, let me know in the comment section by suggesting me how should I fill the whole space up, downside and upside. Like what should I put in the kitchen section, the dining section, the eating section, the den room, the bedrooms. Whatever you can think of, whatever you can suggest will be very helpful to me. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, the home tour, give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next.
Hey, feel I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.